Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Got a diecast review here today. As you saw for the past couple of weeks, I've been pumping out the NASCAR stop motion stuff. Actually, you can see I got it behind me right here. Getting ready for race 2 of the Seasonal Showdown season 2025. But I feel like the people who came to this channel for Disney car stuff, well, I kind of feel like I'm leaving them out a little bit. So I wanted to do a diecast review today just to give them something to watch. Now, if you guys are anything like me, you don't care what it is, Disney cars, NASCAR, regular cars, you don't care what it is, you just come to this channel for cars. And that's what we do. We do everything cars. And I've been trying to expand that platform out. I really have. And so here we are. We have the Dexter Hoover with ring flag. Oh, they're still going out there. Yeah, there's a parade going literally like right next to my house. They're like on the corner of my street. You can hear the cop sirens in the background, and a lot of nice, dude, nice. Anyway, yeah, so let's get Dexter out of packaging. Actually, funny story about this. So I had woken up late one day, and my mother had gone to Target, and she called me, she woke me up, she asked me if I wanted anything in the Disney car aisle, and I'm like, what do you, like, what's over there? Like, what do they got? And where does this green flag go? Am I just supposed to stick it in a spoke or something? There's like no area for it. I'm not a huge fan of that. There's like, stick it in here and we're hunkadory? No. I might have to like tape that to him or something. Like this. I might have to tape it to him like this. And I'm gonna lower this since that guy's out of the box. Yeah, I don't see anywhere to put. Unless, no, it's not here. I'll find it. I'm known to not be the smartest person in the world, so eventually I will find it. Where you're supposed to put this. But anyway, so, back to the story. So, she was at Target, and she asked me if I want anything from the Disney car section, and I'm like, what do they got? And she showed me what they had. She sent me a couple pictures. And I'm like, this, I have to have this. I need it. I can't live without it. And so she was going to check out, and she told me that it wouldn't go through. So she called over the guy who worked there, who's like at like the self-checkout thing, and he couldn't get it to go through. And so he was just like, you know what? Just take this for free. And yeah, I was like, okay, bet, dude. So yeah, this guy actually cost nothing. He's free. Oh, here it is. Here's the... Oh, wow, that's flimsy. That is real flimsy. There he is. There it is, right behind that. Green, go race, boys, go race. Man, I just wanted to get something quick out to you guys, who are only here for the Disney cars. Like I said, for those who are here for the Disney cars, I encourage you guys to be more like me, and stay for everything, because we got a lot of cool content. It's not just Disney cars. Alright, you know, we got awesome racing over here on the NASCAR side. I'm going to start trying to break into Hot Wheels more. And yeah, it's gonna be a really fun time. It's gonna be a real fun time. I can promise you that. So, thank you everybody for watching, and until the next time, peace out.